Takes us back to contracts. This is the main hub of all of the installations within the system. So it doesn't matter where in the journey your customer is, all of their customer data is stored in one place. It's easy to view, and all of them linked directly back to their original lead, and if needed, their aftercare items as well. You can view all contracts at a nice, easy to view here, or you can use our global search function, which allows you to find exactly the contracts that you're looking for. Within the customer's contract, a huge amount of information is kept for you. First of all, the installation information is here, if that's different to the billing address. Also directions to the install address from your depot, any lead information that is useful, safety concerns, estimated fit days, and more importantly, straight on the front screen, any financial information you need to see at a glance. Other financial information you can see easily is the invoice process, if a customer is still due an invoice, if an invoice has been paid and a receipt matched against it, if there's a credit note or a variation to contract. All of the information about the customer's contract is in these easy to read boxes for you to view. We also have our communications tab. This means that all communications that you have with a customer are stored on the customer's contract. These can be sent from directly in the system, and we can also set up a series of templates so you keep standardization and consistency across all of your communications. You can send from your own personal email, or you can send from a group email, or you can send things from your Outlook and send them directly to this file so that all customer communication is retrievable in one place and everybody can access it. The other things you can see are any files that are stored. So anything that you've sent to a customer, anything you may have printed off, or anything you need to reserve. So that could include survey sheets, CAD drawings, order acknowledgements, or print receipts. That also means that you can store photos, and the photos can be automatically sent here. So you'll have lead photos from the salesman, you'll have survey photos, you could have before and after installation photos, and final marketing photos also. These are all sent immediately from the app as soon as taken. If you also used to use one of our integrations with a supplier, you can pull all of their information directly into the file also for that customer. And you can also see a click to view of what that information is. So it's very easy to see and you're not having to download any documents. You can also see all appointments you've ever placed with that customer, historically as well as new, and you can see all your installation dates. We also have an outcome for your installation appointments, so if you do need to mark that you're unable to access a call, you can place that outcome against here. You can see all the costs that you've spent against the contract. And if you do move into aftercare for warranty, you can see what warranty the customer is in, if they are still in warranty with a nice flag, if they're out of warranty, or as in this case, they're in warranty, but they also owe money. We also have the big bespoke part of our system, and this is our workflows. They are completely bespoke to your business. The workflow dictates the installation process for each of your products, and each stage can be set and changed as you see fit. All wording and all stages are down to you and your business. And with each stage, you can also include a checklist. And this is a list of items that need to be completed at every stage of installation, allowing completion of work to never get lost, allowing training to be really simple. Each of these items get clicked off really simply and will stay there for future reference. All of this is bespoke to you as a customer. Also within our contract screen, we're well aware of the need for communication with the customers. We know that you are usually in a meeting, maybe in a sale, or even up a ladder fitting a window, and the customers are ringing you constantly to find information about what's happening with their orders. Our system, we've set up a series of automations that allows you to keep the customer informed with exactly what's happening with their order. Some of these installations, automations that you can set can include things like confirmation of appointments, updates on key dates, confirmation of works finished, and even issue the warranty and guarantee details. And all of these communications would be kept within the customer's records. So when you need to check an agreed installation date, for example, it's all there at your fingertips. And it leaves you to get on with the business of making money. One of the other items that we've built on the system for ease of use is our project section. So this allows for those of you that work with developers, multi-fit sites, or even multi-repair sites to set up your project with the associated contracts in one easy step. All contracts, for example, in this case, will have 10 contracts as set with one button. This gives you plenty of time saving, it cuts down admin and allows the organisation of your business to be really simple.